In today's video, I will walk you through how to change your avatar on Gate. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile. On the website, click your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, open your profile settings. Here you'll find options for managing your account information, security settings, preferences, and profile details. Look for your current profile picture or the default avatar. Tap or click on it. Then select the option to change avatar or upload avatar. Your device will then open your photo library or file manager. Choose the image you'd like to use as your new avatar. For the best results, use a clear, high-quality image. If prompted, you can crop or reposition the photo so it fits nicely within the circular profile frame. Once you're happy with how your avatar looks, click Save, Confirm, or Upload to apply the changes. The update may take a few moments to process, after which your new profile picture should appear on your account. Remember that you can only change your avatar once within 24 hours. Keep in mind that your avatar should follow Gate's community guidelines. Avoid using copyrighted images, offensive content, or anything that could violate the platform's terms of service. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your avatar on Gate.com.